So in this video, we'll discuss about supplier interface. Java supplier interface is a reverse of consumer interface. When consumer interface, you provide an argument and it does not return anything. Here in supplier, it returns you a value of some type. And it does not have any argument, so you don't provide any value, but it returns you a value of some type. A Java supplier interface is a functional interface that supplies a value of some type. A supplier interface can also be thought of as a factory interface. Now let's look into example of supplier interface. Now let's create a new class, and the class name is supplier example. And also let's look into the definition of supplier interface. So hit Ctrl N on Windows and all places and supplier java.util.function. So you can see that in the supplier interface there is only one method, which is get. Now let's implement public static void main method pspm, and inside this we'll be creating a supplier which will be returning us a random number. So supplier of integer and supplier is equal to math.random multiplied by 1000. So here in this case we'll be casting it to integer. Now let's print out the supplier values, sort, and supplier.get. And let's print out this supplier.get again, because it should get a different value of the random numbers both the times. Now let's run this example. You can see that it printed out 978 and 1001. So example use case of supplier is in classes where you want to use the methods like random numbers in multiple places. So you can just create one supplier and then use that instance of supplier in multiple places.